Here's part 2. Different ones. Okay, can I hold one after you?
No.
Aww. He's got one of those missile ones. This is part 2. Whee! Up. Up, up. Up. Woo. This is part 2 of FireWorks. Boys on the trampoline. Oh, up there. Doing another one.
This could be almost as much kick as a shotgun.
Dad reckons it has almost more kick than a shotgun. I don't know what that means. Oh! Oh, that was unexpected. Nice. My arms are getting tired. What, babe? Here's all. This is the rest of the fireworks. Oh, what's this? What's this one? We're about to find out what this new species is.
This one just shoots straight up.
My dad reckons it shoots straight up. Okay.
You put the torch in here.
Ready?
Yep.
Put the torch over here.
Sorry. Oh, good luck.
Stand back there.
Stand right back. Oh. Missiles! Oh. Gatling gun! Okay, hopefully it's done. I don't think so. But okay. I want to hold one.
You want to hold one?
Yeah. Hi. Mum doesn't want me to hold one, but I do.
Ready?
No, I'll hold it with you. Because I feel like it's gonna. I'll hold it with you. Never mind. Never mind. Stop it. Whoa. That was pathetic. Oh, I'm falling over. This is what happened to the missiles. It looks like Russian roulette. What's that white stuff in there?
Phosphate. Doesn't it?
Looks like gunpowder.
What do you reckon?
But I think gunpowder's grey. Okay, Dad just did a disgusting bit, but okay. Nice fix.
Go!
What, dude? I need to sit down. Up. Is that it? I think that's it.
Come on!
nephews are only 5 and they can do a foot flip. Go do a foot flip. Hey. I don't know. Wait. Now. Oh, got 2 more. Oh, there's bloody magic whips. Magic whip. Oh my gosh. Look what happened to that one. Pennywise came after them. My nephew reckons please don't kill us. Oh, Dad, a spark just went at you.
Right.
Like I said before, don't smoke don't sniff the
Put your
fumes.
torch up here.
Hang on, I'm trying to get the.
Yeah, I got it.
Make it up.
Right.
Oh, shit! Yeah, back up. Oh, other people doing fireworks? Oh. Dad spun it. It's so close to it. Jesus! You were so close to it. Man, you're dumb. You were so close to it. Please like and subscribe, and sub to Logan Paul. He's lit. He's a savage. Bye.